country to have that on our hands.
Yeah.
So.
Welcome back, guys. We are live. We are here at the Coach Kemi launching event, and check out this racetrack. I think tomorrow we're gonna be having some fun on that track. Don't know what we're driving yet, but I heard we're driving something, so I'll take it. So we'll have some more stuff tomorrow coming. All right, guys, so you just got a couple shots of what's to come for tomorrow. We are leaving to go to a dinner and wine, so that's probably the next clips you're gonna be seeing, so stay tuned for those.
Let's go get food.
We're off to get food. Never really drank wine, so this is gonna be fun
today.
It's gonna be fun. See you guys. Well, welcome back, guys. I am now finally at the resort. We just had our dine and wine. I'm exhausted, so I am gonna go ahead and go to sleep, but I'll see you tomorrow with some new stuff. Be safe.